Welcome to Music for this week. Sing along to the Welcome to Music song. You just be the echoes.
Welcome to music, glad you're here, gonna do some singing, gonna use our ears, we're going to have a lot of fun, 'cause music time has just begun. Welcome to music, glad you're here.
Okay, good job on that. One of the songs we're going to be learning today is called Tony Chestnut, and it comes with different movements to it as well. So just watch these kids sing it, watch them do the movements, and then if you would like, you can pause the video, rewind it, and sing it again and learn the movements.
Tony Chestnut knows I love you. Tony knows. Tony Chestnut knows I love you. That's what Tony knows. Tony Chestnut knows I love you. Tony knows. Tony Chestnut knows I love you. That's what Tony knows. Tony Chestnut knows I love you. Tony knows. Tony Chestnut knows I love you. That's what Tony knows.
Okay, so what happened to the tempo as we went through the song? Did the song get slower or did the song get faster? When they were patting on their legs, that's when the song was speeding up and getting a little faster, okay? So be my echo. I'm gonna back up just a little bit so you can see. When I reach down like this, it's toe, knee, chest, nut, nose, I love you. Okay? Can you be my echo? Tony Chestnut knows I love you. Give that a try. Tony Chestnut. Oh, my bad. I pointed to my nose. Tony Chestnut knows I love you. Good job. Now, my turn. Tony knows. Tony knows. Try that part. Tony knows. Tony knows. Good singing. My turn. Tony Chestnut knows I love you. That's what Tony knows. Okay, you try it. Tony Chestnut knows I love you. That's what Tony knows. Okay, I'm gonna play the video one more time, and you give it a try. The first one is gonna be the slowest, and then as it goes through the song two more times, it's gonna speed up. See how fast you can do it. Okay?
Tony Chestnut knows I love you. Tony knows. Tony Chestnut knows I love you. That's what Tony knows.
okay? Were you able to go that fast tempo at the end there? I hope so. Okay, so I have another song and it's called Falling Leaves. The season that we're in now is fall. Even though it still can be a little bit hot during the day, technically we are in fall now. So this song is about how the leaves fall off the trees when it starts to get colder. And you're going to see the notes written out on the staff, and you're going to see the yellow box following whenever the music is playing. Okay? Just give it a listen.
Ready, go, yellow, red, and brown, gently falling down. Autumn leaves come floating slowly to the ground.
Okay, so this time I'm going to stop it after each phrase and you echo her voice.
Ready, go, yellow, red, and brown.
Your turn. Yellow, red, and brown.
Gently falling down.
Gently falling down.
Autumn leaves come floating.
Autumn leaves come floating.
Slowly to the ground.
Slowly to the ground. Okay, listen longer. You're going to echo me this time. Yellow, red, and brown, gently falling down. Try that much together. That's the whole first line. Ready, sing. Yellow, red, and brown, gently falling down. Here's the next line. My turn. Just listen. Autumn leaves come floating slowly to the ground. And now you try, starting at autumn. Ready, sing. Autumn leaves come floating slowly to the ground. Now I'm going to let you try the whole song by yourself.
Ready, go, yellow, red, and brown, gently falling down. Autumn leaves come floating slowly to the ground.
Okay, so what you're going to hear now is that song, but it's several different people singing it at different times, and it's going to sound really cool. If you can, find yourself a scarf or just stand up and do some movement like some trees, not trees, leaves are falling down, and take this time to get some movement in.
Yellow, red, and brown, gently falling down. Autumn leaves come floating slowly to the ground. Yellow, red, and brown, gently falling down. Gently leaves come floating, gently leaves come floating, gently leaves come floating, gently to the ground. Gently leaves come floating, gently leaves come floating, gently leaves come floating, slowly to the ground.
Isn't that a pretty song? Whenever different groups of people sing the same song, just starting at different times, it's called a round. So one group started at yellow, red, and brown, and then they kept going, And then another group started singing yellow, red, and brown. That was what kind of gives it that really cool sound. Okay, so on this interactive here, the question is asking from the song that we learned about the leaves, is it one sound or two? Drag to show the sounds. So in this first box right here, we have the word yellow. How many sounds are in the word yellow? If you said two, you're correct. So we're going to move that little pair of leaves right there. Okay, what about red and? How many sounds is in red and? Two as well. Okay, now we have these two boxes. This one is empty, and this one has a sound that goes not only in this box, but also carries over like this. Brown. So that first line goes yellow, red, and brown. That takes up two boxes. So this one is the one we're going to be using because that one is a sound that takes up two boxes. Okay, what about gently? How many sounds do you hear in that? Can you clap it yourself? Gently. Did you hear two sounds in that box? Okay, let's move the leaves there. What about falling? Falling. That's also two sounds. Okay, and then down is going to be the same situation as the word brown. We have down, taking up two whole boxes. Down. So we're going to choose this leaf pattern here that takes up two boxes. Think about the next line by yourself. Clap through it. Autumn leaves come floating. Think about which leaves you would drag into those boxes. I'm going to let you think for just a second. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and pull them in, see if you got it right. We have two sounds in this one, two sounds in this one, and one. Can you clap that line? Autumn leaves come floating. Good. Now think about that very last line. Okay, I'm going to give you a few seconds to do that. Okay, if you said two, and then this one, you're correct. Slowly to the ground. Because remember, that last one takes up two full boxes. Okay, good job on doing that. We're going to move over to this next little area. And this is the same question. Is it two sounds? Sorry, is it one sound, two sounds, or more than one beat? Okay, for example, this one here, that would be taking up two whole beats. This is the same idea, except instead of leaves, we have our music notes. This one right here is whenever you hear two sounds on one beat. This one right here is when you hear one sound on one beat. And this one is when you hear one sound taking up two whole beats. Okay? So for example, I'm going to do the first line for you, and then I want you to think about the next line, okay? So when we see yellow, how many sounds do you hear? Two, right? So we have this one that has two notes, okay? Then we have red and, which is another two note. Brown. That one right there because it takes up two boxes, okay? Think about the next line that says gently falling down. Okay? Think about that one for just a little bit. Okay, if you thought maybe it looks like this, gently falling down, then you're correct. It has the same rhythm as the first line. Okay, let's do this next line together. Autumn leaves come floating. Okay, I know for the first two boxes I heard two sounds in each box, so it goes two, two, float, ding. Each one of those boxes has one sound in it. And I'm going to let you figure out the last line. So take a look at that one. If you said slowly to the ground, then you're correct. Good job. All right, that's all I have for you for music today. Make sure you log in and do the other two assignments. Thank you. Bye.